In this video, you will learn about formatting an APA-style reference list. I will use the guidelines of 7th edition. I am Dr. Tahir Mahmood and you are watching Teaching Junction channel. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, open your Word document. I have opened a Word document where I want to insert the reference and format according to APA 7th style. Here is a list of references. You can either generate these references manually or using some references programs such as EndNote or Mendeley. You can even use this reference tab to generate automatic reference using Microsoft Word. I have already uploaded a video. You can watch that one if you are interested. Secondly, I have also uploaded the videos of EndNote. You can also watch those videos if you are interested. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, I will cut these references. In APA style, make sure that the reference section should be on a separate page. Firstly, I will cut this. Then you should click on the end of this document. You can see here the my document sections end here. I have clicked here. Now go to insert. And here you will find the option of page break. Click here and it will insert a separate page. You can see a previous page number was 3 and this page number is 4. First, go to home tab and from here you should select center align, write references, select this and make sure its font size is 12 and font is Time New Roman. Select bold option. Now press enter and from here you should select align left and uncheck this bold option and paste your references here. Now select these references and from here you should select the 2-line spacing. Firstly, make sure that your references should be arranged alphabetically. So for that purpose, select all references. And from in paragraph section, you will find the option of sort. Click on it. Sorted by paragraph, type text and ascending. Select this option and click on OK. You can see here these references are sorted according to alphabetically. Now click on this arrow option which appeared at the bottom and end of this paragraph section. From here you will find option of indentation and in indentation section there is a option of special and from special select hanging option. 0.5 is fine. Line spacing is already selected double and check this option which says that don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. After doing that, click on OK. Now you can see here that our references are formatted according to our styles. Next, from here you can see here that this one shows the last name of the author, comma, then the initial of this first name of that author, followed by year in parentheses. Make sure that all years are appeared in parentheses. For example, here I will insert parentheses. I will check other references. I will also insert here parentheses. From here you can see that it is Ministry of Education. Make sure that their first letter is capital, education. Secondly, if you insert a reference of a journal, make sure that the journal name is italic and volume number is also italic. For example, here is a reference of a journal and this is the journal name. I will select italic option. Similarly, this is the volume number, which is 45, and in parenthesis issue number. So only italic this 45, which is the volume number. You can also check if there is any other journal. I did not find any other journal references here. Now in APS 7 style, you can write these hyperlinks. There is no need to break these hyperlinks. Next, let's go more detail of this reference. I have highlighted only for teaching purpose, don't highlight it. This one is the author, first author, and first author last name, and here is the initials of the first names of that first and middle name of that author. This is the second author, and place and between final author and the author below it. So this one shows the year, and here is the title of this article. This one shows the journal name, and this one shows the volume number of journal. This one shows the issue number, and last one shows the page number. So here is a style of references. You can write the reference of journal according to this style. Similarly, you can follow the specific reference style for book section or book or newspaper, whatever you want. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.